Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fall Guys character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking astronaut. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a pretty cool looking design. Actually, it works really well for the Fall Guys character. So to begin, we're going to draw in a big circle first. So this will be pretty much the helmet, and then we'll draw in the face on the inside. So just draw one big circle. Alright, and then from this circle right here, just come down to the center on the side. You can make 2 little points. We're going to draw one big curve going up and just kind of connect it from side to side. So I'm going to start here. And then from this curve, we're going to draw one more on the right on top of it. So this part's a little bit easier. We'll just follow that curve. And then now for the bottom part here, on the inside right here, we'll draw one more. And this will give us the kind of opening for the helmet. Okay, so now we can finally draw in the face on the inside. So the circle is going to be right here. It's going to be partly hidden by this top part of the helmet. So we're going to start on the side right here. We're going to draw a bracket like this first. And then just round off the bottom. Okay, so just one big circle. And now for the eyes, come out to the center right here, come out to the side. You can draw it this way. Let's draw 2 lines like this first. And then we'll round off the top and the bottom. Alright, so let me shade that in real quick. Okay, so that's the face, and then to add one more detail on the inside right here, just draw a curve and just kind of touch down right on the bottom of the helmet right there. Okay, so that's going to be the helmet area. So now let's draw in, finish up the upper body. From the side of the circle here, we'll just go straight down. Just come down past this point. Close that off. And let's go ahead and keep coming down right here. right in the center of this, it's got a big panel right here. It's almost like his belt or belt buckle. In the center right here, we'll just add a little circle. And let's go ahead and finish up the detail, just one little bar inside. Okay, so now let's finish up the body. So we're gonna come in slightly right here. Just come down. Go into this little panel right here. Alright, and then from here, start on the bottom, he's got a tube going all the way around. So we just go out like this first. Okay, right here. And now we're gonna curve this up. Let's go behind there. So it looks like the tube is kind of wrapping around the body. Okay, and then let's finish up the body shape. So from this point right here, okay, so we're continuing with this line. We just come down, just kind of round it out. Okay, and then let's go ahead and add in some details. Just right here, just two little lines, and then the bottom right here as well. Just some details on the suit. And then let's go ahead and finish up the legs. In the middle right here, come down. Just draw 2 bars on the side. And we'll just turn that into a little rectangle going up. Just connect to the body. And then for his foot, so these are pretty simple. Just come down, and then this side will go out, and then just close it off. So go out, close it off flat. Alright, and then let's see, let's go ahead and finish up the arms. And I know there's some more details up here, we can draw that in later. Okay, so the armpit's gonna be right around here. We'll start up here, right around the eye area. Let's curve down. And then the inside here, same curve, just smaller, and then we'll close it off with a slant. Just one bracket, and then close it off with a slant again, so just one little bar. And then now for his hand, start here, just one little hook for the thumb. Here's the back of the hand. Now we just kind of round it out, just come down, just tuck it right into the thumb. Okay, so same thing here, come down, just one little hook. Back of the hand. Alright, so that's the full body, and let's add in some, it looks like it's got some pouches on the side right here on the arm. So let's draw a little bracket. And then for the little flaps in here, just right in the middle, one little line. And just draw a little curve, just following on the curve on the outside. Okay, and then the middle right here, we'll add some details. Just gonna add a square and then just a couple of bars. Alright, and then lastly on the helmet, on the side right here, draw in just 2 little lines like this first. And then just kind of come into the helmet. And that is it for this astronaut. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.